So how do you find a z-score on your TI? So this is a TI 83 plus, but the TI 83s, the TI 84s, they're all really similar, even the TI 82s. Now, the answer I have up here, this is actually out of the table. So if you look at the table, you'll notice the table always goes to the left. And you can just look up, since we're looking up this, we can look up 187, and you can see right there's the answer. I looked that up so then we can see that, oh, hey, our calculator matches. First thing you should always do is draw the picture. Now, when you do the calculator, you want to go here, so this VARs button, you want actually distribution up here. So I'm going to do second VARs, and that gives me the distribution. You'll see here normal PDF and normal CDF. PDF would be just 1.87. I don't want that. I want everything below 1.87, so I want the CDF. A C is cumulative. This is probability density function. This is cumulative density function. You want the cumulative. You want the CDF. So I'm going to go to CDF. And you have to put in the lower bounds and the upper bounds. So when I look at this, the lower bounds, I want it to go to infinity. So I'm just going to put a really big number. So like in this case, -10, well, a really small number, all the way out here. Because if you look at the chart, and this is a good time where the chart can be useful, you can see this only goes to about 3 or something. So 10 is well beyond where it needs to be. So you could use 100, but you really only need like -10, +10 on the side. Then I want to go, I did the comma, to 1.87, and then I'm going to hit enter. And that gives me this, 0.9693. You always round to 4 digits, and this is your answer. You can see it's the same answer that came off at the table. The one thing is the picture is going to be crucial because you need to put in both the lower and the upper bounds. And you're going to have to create a lower bound. And you have to kind of pick one that you know is going to pretty much go until it turns into 0. And in this case, -10 works nicely. But you could probably, let's check, I think you could probably get away with -5. Let's try, see what the difference is. So if I did -5, comma, 1.87, you can see here I got the same answer. It barely changed. So you can go out to whatever you want, but it's still going to round in that 4 digits, the same one, as long as you're over, probably I would say -4. Well, under -4. So that's how you do it on the TI.